Hello, and welcome to another update video on XRP. The price is currently in a pullback, and we have seen some nice upside extensions yesterday. The wave count, the thesis remains unchanged. We could be working on an upside impulse, which is probably not complete yet. And if it is, then it's not a full impulse because I cannot really identify a clear 5-wave move up. Now, don't get me wrong. It can be seen as 5 waves. I think we all agree that this visually looks like 5 waves. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that's only really if you really count it just visually, because it is, easily possible to interpret this as 3 waves. Bottom line is, this is for me not a clear 5-wave impulse yet. I can easily say A, B, and then 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in C. So for me, this is not yet a clear 5-wave move. That would be maybe the 3rd or 4th most likely scenario to say that it's 5 waves already, okay? For me, what I'd like to see for a clear 5-wave move up, which would give us more confidence that actually a meaningful low has formed on Friday, the 21st of November, I need to see a proper sequence of 5 waves. In this sequence of 5 waves, the market should ideally hold above the $2.07 level, the 50% retracement. Any decisive break below the $2.07 level would open the door to a test of the lower support area again, which was tested on Friday last week. And already throughout last week, yeah. Now, there are a few different things to talk about here. First of all, if we then zoom into the nanostructures, now that we've established one more high would be ideal, have we even topped in this 3rd wave? And I think yes, but I can make a case for one more high still, as long as we are holding above $2.16. But I can tell you with PPI data that just came out, and the market reacting a little bit red to it, but not much, it's just pretty mixed data. And with, let's say, Bitcoin, Ethereum already pushing down a bit in a correction, I think we might have started the C wave down in wave 4. But if we get one more high, I wouldn't treat this as the wave 4 low, not the intraday low. I'd rather say this is one more high in the 3rd wave. I think it is a bit more likely that we're already in the 4th. Okay, and then $2.07 is the key support level. It doesn't matter so much if we get another high in the 3rd wave or not. What really matters is from a bullish point of view, from a structural point of view, that's what I can offer here. From a structural and an Elliott Wave point of view, what really matters is, do the bulls turn up before the price breaks below the 50% retracement of the currently unfolding 3rd wave? And that's the $2.07 level, or 2.076 to be precise, but that's not so important. So $2.07, we need to avoid a decisive break below it. Yeah. As long as we're holding this is the main support line here at the moment. Yeah. Any break below, will mean that a top of sorts is in. Until then, I treat this as an unfolding impulse. And to be honest, if we get one more high in this 3rd wave, then ideally that internal low has formed and we're now getting that one more high, because any further downside would really indicate that the C wave down has started and could take us to, and that wouldn't be a problem, could take us to $2.12 next, which is the 38.2 retracement and usually an ideal target for such a 4th wave. So I would watch this level closely. So yeah, that's the update on XRP. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our membership. We currently have a Black Friday week offer that you can use if you like to join as an annual member on our website. I'll leave a link in the comment section. It takes you to the FAQ page. You can take a look at it if you like to, but you can basically get 20% off our annual memberships, which are already discounted anyway, because of the if you commit to a year, it's already a discount, and then you already get 20% discount on top of that with the Black Friday offer. We only do this once a year during Black Friday season, but it's a great opportunity for those of you who ever wanted to join, or who thought about joining the MCO family and never really did it. You get weekly live streams, you get member-only videos, you get a lot of additional updates on Discord, especially as a gold member. You get plenty of additional updates around the clock. You stay up to date. You get TradingView live chart access, an educational platform. Yeah, you get a lot of videos. There's an Elliott Wave course. There's a risk management course. So all of that included. Check it out if you're interested. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.